Octane and Zip Ties. My name's Logan Lamb. I build cars and yeah.
And welcome back to another video. Today we have kind of a lot of different stuff going on. So behind me we've actually got some lips and barrels. We are going to be putting these together for show prep for GAT, which is actually in about 4 days we're leaving. These are Riyadh's wheels, GMR, and he just got them fully polished. All the hardware and stuff is there, so I'm going to be putting those together for him, which means that we are going to be running to Home Depot. I got to get some silicone, I got to run a couple other errands, and then coming back here. We also are going to be doing a little bit to the LS. I'll explain when I get back, because there's definitely going to be some big changes to it. Some parts are coming off of it because I sold them already, and I will show you a couple other things that we have for the LS in upcoming videos. So I'm going to get on the road so we can get back here, start putting the wheels together, start messing with the LS, and get this video. So I'll catch you guys in a few. And we are back in the mess of a garage for right now, but that'll all get dealt with later. I'm kind of moving this stuff. These are actually my 40-hole 18-inch 6-inch lips and 4-inch barrels. I can't run those with the Vaugards because the Vaugards are sandwich faces, and these are for lip, barrel, and then face goes on top. The Vaugards are actually what goes in between both of them, and then they sandwich together. So I do need some 40-hole equip lips and barrels. I'm gonna find those eventually. I'm not too worried about it, but I will end up selling these to one of the homies. Anyways, I'm setting up the camera so I can show you guys exactly what we're up to. These faces are so fly. Riyadh actually got these polished by the dude that does all of their semis, like Josue's semis and stuff, and they came out so good. So I'm gonna actually take these. I'm gonna take the barrels because they do have silicone on them. I have a fresh new razor, so I'm gonna cut off all of that stuff. Take a wire wheel, clean everything up, make sure it has a nice surface, acetone it and everything. If you haven't seen the last video on how to rebuild wheels, this is the stuff we use. People use all different types of stuff, but window and door projects, you know, keeps out moisture. The silicone is the clear version. I like the clear. People use black or whatever, but it does the job and it works. We used it for Charles Laurel wheels, and those have held up pretty good. No leaks or anything, so can't complain. Or if you've never rebuilt wheels, honestly, it's like Legos, super easy, just time consuming. So bringing you guys along for the process, and let's start working on stuff today. Hey man, you already know who pulled up, Jose. You got that loud pack on you, man.
Uber Eats for Logan.
That's that gas. Little break. Jose brought the food by. Charles is on the way. We got some Zinger Mountain Milk from Ale House. Florida boys, y'all know what's going on here. And FSU better come on, so we're gonna watch a little bit of that and get back to the wheels in a few. Jose is down there on the scooter, so I'm gonna have him come back and show us some tricks, but hey man. You got the stuff?
I'm here.
You got the stuff?
I got the stuff. I got multiple stuffs.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that form knows. Anyways, I moved the LS up here because news. Sadly, these tails are going. So, one of 3 sets in the entire states are gone. I sold these to a homie that's been hitting me up for a long time, and you know what? It's finally time to let them go. I do have some other tails in my room, which I will show you. They are LED. I don't think they're as fire as these, but down the road, who knows, maybe I will do a video on custom building some. I know a couple people that do it, so I might end up, see if I can work something with them and get a fire set, but it's time to part with these finally, especially because I do want to mix it up. I think these tails are perfect on, you know, like on the rat rod, dirty, not clean kind of look. Just the smoke tails kind of go with everything, but I am going to be changing the color soon, hopefully after GAT. I do want to find a super clean front bumper, and I do have some extra fenders and some other stuff I want to finish up before we paint it. But anyways, I'm gonna start taking that stuff apart. Charles is here. I can now finish up the wheels, and we're gonna go from there. Yo, let's see a trick, bro.
I got you, bro. Ready?
Okay. Okay. All right, well, it is a couple hours later. Finished up sealing the wheels up. They actually just picked them up because Riyadh and Danny slid by. Charles is here. Jose actually left because he went home and to go pick somebody else up. Tyler and Vic are here. And I think that's it, right? Yep, I think that's it. Anyways, we are about to actually head out to a highway mob meet. So I wasn't sure how much content I was gonna get on this video, especially with it being dark. I'm not sure if you guys can really tell, but we ended up putting the stock red tails back on. I do have the smoke tails, which are sold, and the LED tails, which I actually have to get some bulbs. You know how they work. That bulb right there basically hooks into the back of these to illuminate the other bulbs as well. So I will have to look in and get some of those. We are about to dip out. We're gonna meet up with some of the boys and mob to the meet. So you guys will get some content on that. Maybe in the light or at the gas station, I'll show you guys the tails on the LS and maybe talk about some future plans. So I will catch you guys on the road, and let's go meet up with the boys. Yo, bro, you like how
Hit
mom,
me
bro?
up at Josh Hello. You're in Florida. How do you like it?
Sorry.
That's cool. Anyways, Josh here taking over for Octane and Zip Ties once again. I'm back. I'm back on the streets. And, yo, this fucking dumbass. Yo, Josh.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
You're on
I'm
Octane and Zip Ties.
Octane and Zip Ties. My name's Logan Lamb. I build cars and yeah.
Yep. All right. We'll see you later, Logan. Josh, what's up?
Hi, Josh.
Hey. Hey, Josh.
Hey, man.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Josh.
Hey.
Hey, man, we made it to the meet. You know, we got all the boys posted up. Of course, the little hookski's going, huh? Little hookska?
Mm-hmm.
Little hookski?
Yeah, even
Yeah.
Diesel's here.
Mm-hmm.
He's coming. I called him.
Yup.
Yeah, he's coming into the Laurel.
In the Laurel?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. Nah, decent turnout. We'll take a walk around in a little bit, but
Yo, what's up, Bob? Chilling.
Dude, somebody ripping over there? Yeah.
How you doing?
You just pulled up?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you was leaving. Looking fresh as always. Yo, you Steve Streets, bro? Steve Streets, Bipple,
son.
Japan right here?
That's all you.
Like it right here. It doesn't even have the car matched. Look at this shit. Then you got this piece of shit right here. Who the fuck owns that shit? That's where it's at right there. Mm-hmm.
Little Jenny?
Yeah. And then we got that shit over there. That's called the real shit box. Mm-hmm.
It's Logan Lamb. Hi. How are ya?
What's up, Josh? The actual boat boy Bob.
Boat Boy Bob?
Boat boy Bob. He's tough.
I'm falling.
Are we gonna race, you bitch? Huh?
It's getting real around here, man. I don't know what's about to happen.
I'm kind of feeling the heat, bro. Are we in fucking Compton?
Oh shit, yo, that shit's straight from StockX, bro. Holy fuck. Man. Yo, he got that Supreme drop. Oh my. How did he get that? Hey, how did he get that drop? We got the drop. Oh, he's so mad.
Where are we going to?
One of you.
Yo, can I race Ray? Start over here.
On the flashlight, on the flashlight. Can I do a roll? It better be your phone flashlight. Yeah.
Yo!
Where's your shirt? Yo, in the shirt.
Damn, that was a tie!
That was actually a tie.
That was actually a tie!
I'm like, what the fuck is happening?
I'm gonna tell you right now, Dre got the dub because, wow.
I'm impressed with the performance.
Run it back, run it back. We need to run it back. We need to run it back. Shorter. No, you had him.
Listen, I got on the field. I did what I had to do. I stretched a little bit. I came for the city.
Yo, is that you, Spencer
I
James?
put it on for the city.
Is that you, Spencer
I do
James?
it for my mom. I do it for Dylan. I do it for Crenshaw.
Pine Hills, my boy Pine Hills.
Ready?
Run, you fat.
Ready?
Yeah! Yeah, Josh got that one. Barely. Barely. Bro, I thought they were going to take me out.
Had him by a foot.
It's the hot
I
monster.
just want to say, man.
I just want to say, he beat me by a person with chanclas on.
Yo, what the fuck? These give me a booster though.
All right, of course I'm late to record, but we got all the dudes revving and ruining the meet over there. The rest of us are all posted up chilling, you know what I'm saying? This is the vibe, bro. This is the fucking vibe, bro.
My bad, man.
Now you're good? This is the vibe.
Put money on it.
This is the fucking vibe,
You said that last time.
And I'm making double the power now.
Double the hours?
Yeah, who?
Always contact.
That shit valid. That shit is valid. And guess who made it?
This guy.
All right, we're about to flame some fucking cars. Look at this shit right here.
All right, come on.
What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this?
What is this?
No idea, but what the fuck? What the fuck, nigga? I could fit both of my foot. Feet, whatever the fuck it's called. What the fuck is this?
No.
Shit is not it, dog. Shit is not it, man. Shit's not it. Look at this Walmart fucking cart over here. Somebody left their Walmart shopping cart over here. Come on, man. Come over here. Come over here.
Follow.
The fuck is that?
What is this?
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
Hey, yo, this your car? Hey, you use that car meet?
Yo, did the Lamborghini Panawagon for real? Goddamn Lamborghini, sapphire blue. Goddamn, got the spinners on it. Swish. They're crazy. That's a rig. That's a fucking rig.
Yeah. Zoom in more. Zoom in more. In the face.
Someone said he sells hookah but don't know how to smoke it.
The fuck is this guy? This nigga sells hookahs, don't know how to smoke hookah. Like the fuck? That's like I don't even know.
That's like selling crack, but you don't do the crack.
No, it's not. That's a completely different thing.
It's me. Follow me on IG.
Damn, that shit zoomed the fucking. What the fuck?
This man.
Yo.
Who what? What?
Yo, took over the fucking camera, bro. We got the fucking meet. I don't know where Logan at, but I'm Logan. You trying to buy a fucking car from Japan? Let me know. Right?
Yeah, Octane and Zip Ties, bro. Run by Josh and Maddie.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, real ones coming.
Oh fuck.
Damn.
Damn, battery's about to die. I gotta get another one.
Oh fuck. Battery's about to die. See ya.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Dre, tuning in with Highway Mob News, and today we're doing interviews. So we got Riyadh here. Riyadh, say hi.
Damn.
So my question is, what's your favorite car in Highway Mob?
Probably the Mercedes Benz.
We have a Mercedes-Benz in the Highway Mob. Guys, you heard it here first. Meeting interviews are over. We gotta go.
Run! 12! Run! Yo, pack up the glizzies. Hurry up!
That is so fucked.
Hey, we're back with another interview. Trevor. Come here, Trevor. All right, so this is Trevor. Trevor, say hi.
You guys, my name's...
All right, so what's your favorite car in Highway Mob?
I gotta think, there's a lot of them. There's like, what, like 9 cars?
Okay, but pick one.
Probably that IS300. No, the white one.
The white one?
Yeah,
right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where are we going?
And so we're gonna move on to the next person.
All right, I gotta go because there's something in my pants.
Let me ask you a question, bro. What's your favorite car in Highway Mob?
My favorite car in Highway Mob is this car right here. You know, it's well built, it's nice, it's bagged. You know, it's show quality. My least favorite car in Highway Mob has to be, honestly speaking, the G37 right there.
Yeah, I agree.
That shit is
Don't tell this cop to shut up, bro. I'm doing interviews, bro. Like, relax, bro. Relax. Like, what are you gonna do? Hit him head on, bro? Like, relax.
Damn, bro, this man's OG.
Alright, so thank you guys for checking in with Octane and Zip Times. You know, until next time, maybe next time Riyadh's car's gonna be built. We'll catch y'all.